Hey everybody, Sherilyn Thomas, Herbal Essentials and Oils for the Family. I am excited to talk to you about this thing that I do regularly. So when I had two kids wake up this morning with not feeling super well. They're kind of congested, coughing a little bit. They're going to have runny noses, etc. So that tells me it's time to get busy with the oils. I kind of knew that one of them was getting sick because he was coughing. I asked him, I said, are you getting sick or something? And oh, no, until now, full on yes. So for the cough and for just his airways, what I use for that generally is lots of different things. Today I used Breathe Touch. I really like this because it's super easy. They can do it. This kid of mine is super ticklish if I do it, so he does it. Okay, so you just have them take the roller bottle, stainless steel top, and just roll it on the chest. And then I had him roll it just under his nose like that. Okay, then for him, I added eucalyptus. So I had him put 2 drops on his own chest. Boop, drop, drop. Rub that in. So now it's on his hands. And then he loves wintergreen. And this is the wintergreen that was the old one from China and not the one from Nepal. The one we get now is from Nepal, but he loves the one from China. So I still have that one. And 2 drops of that. And rub that on his chest. The one from Nepal is just a sweeter aroma, and he likes the more, traditional wintergreen gum smell. So rub his hands together, and I had him cup and inhale. Now with the wintergreen and eucalyptus on his hands. Rub his hands together, cup and inhale 3 or 4 times, deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. Ready? And hold it, and out through the mouth, okay? Repeated 3 times, okay, or 4, however many you want. All right, so that was the topical thing we did, and then I muscle tested for him to see what he needed. Now you can do this for your own self, or for yourself, or for your own children. And all you have to have is like intuitive permission from them to do so. All right, so what we did is I muscle tested various oils, and just so for example, I just took frankincense. I kind of was drawn to this for him. So I just took it to my chest and said, Breton needs frankincense, and my body just kind of leaned forward for that. And so I said, okay, that's one. And then I grabbed Melaleuca, same thing, move forward, and basil, forward, and oregano, forward. Some of the ones that said no, so I did a capsule, 2 drops of each of those. And frankincense, Melaleuca, oregano, and basil. Those are all very much really helpful for sinuses, but also just to feel better for any, cough, cold kind of thing that's going on. So give some relief for that. So the other ones that I tested for him were On Guard, no. Peppermint, no. Maybe another one. Okay, so I just did a simple muscle test. Just, any kind of like forward moving towards motion is a yes, and any kind of like no is a no. So you just go intuitively and figure that out. Okay, if you don't trust yourself, then just practice, because you have every right, authority, and otherwise to be able to do this for yourself and for your children. Okay, now for my daughter who woke up maybe 45 minutes later, same thing, but she's much more sensitive to the oils. So she needs fewer. And so anyway, I just had her put the Breathe on her chest, not under her nose, because she hadn't eaten breakfast yet, and I didn't want to hear the, whatever. Yes, they complain. But so while she did the Breathe on her chest, then she was eating her breakfast, and then I'd same thing muscle test for her. And she came out, because I had these oils just ready at hand. She was a no on frankincense, and a no on basil, and a yes on Melaleuca, and a no for oregano. So I'm like, okay. So then I asked, okay, all that came up from the ones that I had out were Melaleuca. So I said, okay, is this all she needs? Oh, actually it was a no. No. So then I'm like, okay, what else does she have? So I open up my box. What else does she need? Da, da, da. And I tested her for peppermint. No. On Guard. No. Grapefruit. She loves citrus oils. Grapefruit was a yes. I'm like, what? Okay. So, and it was done with Melaleuca and grapefruit. Both yes. So I gave her 2 drops of each of these in a capsule and she took them down. And then I read to her from the Emotions book. Oh, I did bring it. This is the older version. There's a new one out. This is the older version, Emotions and Essential Oils. Get this book. aromatools.com, eoebooks.com, amazon.com, you know. So Emotions, and now it's yellow, so this is an older one. So I read to her from the emotional things for the Melaleuca and the grapefruit. The grapefruit didn't seem to resonate for her so much, other than this tiny little part to encourage you to have a positive relationship with one's physical body based on love, tolerance, and acceptance. And so she's my empath, so she needs love, tolerance, and acceptance because anyway. And then the other one, Melaleuca, obviously, when I read it to her, she's like, I need that every day, and she does. It's the oil of energetic boundaries. So she's very competitive. I've learned this year in middle school that she's very competitive. So she actually now is taking on energy. She always had takes on energies of other people. And so we've kind of been lax in our protectiveness for her. And so now with this Melaleuca, the oil of energetic boundaries, she said, everything in there is me. Oh my gosh, that's me. So this energetic vampirism between organisms violates the law of nature. Melaleuca encourages an individual to connect to people and beings in ways that honor and respect others' agencies. Melaleuca encourages an individual to relinquish all forms of self-betrayal, including allowing others to take advantages of one's time, energy, or talents. And so she said, there's every sentence kind of resonated for her, and she recognized that. Anyway, I just thought it would be helpful to kind of show what I do on a daily basis. Oh, 2 kids wake up with situations going on, and yes, okay, it makes me kind of excited. I'm so sorry. I do feel badly that they're sick, but I know that we can snap it real quick. They'll be probably done in a day and a half. I know that half the middle school is ill, and they're going through Kleenexes right and left. So this will help them to snap through that super fast. Love you guys. Bye.